Good morning everyone, my name is Lalit and today I am going to explain about the pinouts on the Arduino Uno R3 means revision 3. Now here I got a printout of the board, it's pinouts. Now in the previous video I have separated all these pins into 4 parts, which was the power part, which is this, and this is the analog part, as I said in the previous video, and this is the digital, and this two are these two are TX and RX. The place, and in the previous video I said that TX and RX you can control Bluetooth modules, but I have even discovered that it can be used to program the Atmega 328P with the bootloader and a 16 MHz crystal oscillator. But in this diagram the 16 MHz crystal oscillator is missing because I couldn't find one with it. And now I'm going to explain every single pinout detailedly. Now this is the first pinout. This is the 3.3 volt pinouts. To this you can add like low power devices like LEDs and stuff like that. 5 volt like your normal like the voltage used for charging mobiles or charging motors, and these both are the same, 5 volt, and these two are ground, means there will be earth. And these are analog pins. There are 5 analog pins: analog 0, analog 1, analog 2, analog 3, analog 4, analog 5. Actually there are 6. And here I haven't discussed about this. These two you won't be needing much in most of the projects. And this is another ground pin. So if you ever run out of ground pins or you just want to make a compact build, you have another ground pin here. And there are 12 digital pins: digital 13, digital 12, 11, 10, D9, D8, D7, D6, D5, D4, D3 and D2. Now in this D3, D5, D6, D9, D10, D11 can send a PWM signal, and I have said that the full form of PWM is pulse width modulation. Pulse width modulation. Now you can power the board in four different ways. One is by this power part, which I still haven't discovered how to power it with this pins, but there are two most popular ways which I used to power the Arduino board. One is this 9 volt input. You can send a DC barrel jack in here and it will power the system. This is a device which will limit the voltage to 5 volts. So the maximum voltage which can go through here is 12 volts, but it's safer to handle lower voltages. And this is, as I explained, this is the USB type B bus. You can mostly find this in printer cables if you own a printer, and this will be linked to your computer to Arduino IDE programming software, which I will explain about in the future videos. See you all next time. Goodbye.